This is my special, and now I'm going to show you my new car. Look at this car. Oh jeez, oh my god. I just, I just buy a Mustang. Let me try. Oh no, sexy ride. Look at this. Oh man. Let me see the speed of this car. Oh my god. It's blazing speed. Oh my god. Sorry guys, as we are going to do in this part, now we are going to make some of a mission over here. We are going to be do some of a robbing, car robbery. Going to rob a car robbery. As shown in this picture. Okay, I love that sexy Mustang. What's happening? Yeah, you are going to be resisted. It's very good. I love that car over there. Oh my god. I'm lagging, but it's okay. Do not peep at me. I'm going to peep at you if you peep at me. No, I think it's lagging. 2.3%. I'm going to be fine. So that's it. I got 3 star. Yes. That's 61. And now we are going to be riding our Mustang. I love the face of this Mustang. Whew. Sexy car. I think we are going to play this game maybe 6 minutes. Oh my god, I like the Mustang. Oh jeez. Sorry, dude. Just see some mission. Just I think I'm going to be playing this A3 4 mission. The third mission. Where's my Mustang? Come on, come on. Where's my Mustang? Come on. Oh my god. Where is my Mustang? Okay, there's my Mustang. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. I need my Mustang to this destination. Okay, yeah. I'm going to be, this is my fastest car in the world. Mustang, Mustang, Mustang. I don't keep on saying Mustang, Mustang, Mustang. I don't know. The name of this car is Mustang, not the Mustang. I don't know what I'm saying, Mustang. But it's so awesome. This is. Oh my god, what's that? Okay, there it is. Yeah, I got 2 star. Maybe. 1. Just find something, another mission. Just do the mission. Whoa, this is awesome. Woo! Woo! Let's try it again. So awesome. Therefore. Woo. 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 Let's do this again. So awesome. Whee! Just drop. Okay, let's again. Let me try this because this is one of the fastest ramp in the world. Come on, do it. Oh my god. I'm thinking the direction. Oh my cheesy. What? Cheesy. Again, I want to say cheesy. What? Boost. Oh my god. I hate this ramp. Let me upgrade this car later. Yeah. Oh, come on! I'm panicking. I'm panicking like a little girl. Come on. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I need some turbo. 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 Woo! Oh my god. Turbo. Turbo. Let me activate my turbo. Turbo. I'm not going to make it. Ram. Oh my god. Let's just do this same as we possible doing it. Woo! Wee. This is my 6 times of try again. Again and again, 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 again. Woo! Woo. My million Mustangs going to be dead right now. Keep flying. Maybe not. Oh my god. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4. Oh my god. Some files. God. So guys, this is the end of the part 3 of my gameplay on Grand Fight Gangster. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share if you want. Bye. Guys, bye. Bye guys.